Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Right now at the stage where Nnamdi Kanu's case is, that's the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, it is now a critical stage and the indigenous people of Biafra have decided to take an underground move on so many issues, even the legal aspect. Before we go to the newspaper to find out exactly what is in the coffers in the radar, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, as the trial of the indigenous people of Biafran leader Nnamdi Kanu enters a crucial stage, the umbrella body is seeking to do the needful. Although indigenous people of Biafra has not discarded its current legal team made up of many lawyers, some who are rendering free services based on their belief in the cause that Nnamdi Kanu is leading. The indigenous people of Biafra, however, wants the legal team to be spearheaded by a lawyer with high pedigree, generally known and highly respected within the Nigerian judiciary. A top source who is close to the indigenous people of Biafra organization said, as of Sunday, that's today, that the current legal team is perceived to be populated by activists who are best suited to work with the legal luminary of not below the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria, SAN, popularly referred to as the Land Silk in Nigerian legal palace. The source, who pleaded anonymity because he was not authorized to speak for the organization, said the indigenous people of Biafra is looking for a highly placed attorney of a senior advocate of Nigerian status, that's SAN status, who is well versed in the Nigerian legal system and commands respect in the circle. The envisaged senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, when engaged, is expected to reorganize Nnamdi Kanu's legal team, mobilize qualified and like-minded lawyers to work as coordinated legal team to secure victory over his terrorism and treason felony charges slammed on him by the Nigerian government. As you can see, these are very weighty and serious legal issues that require a versatile legal representation and not mere activists who many just be who many just be more interested in drawing publicity stunts at the expense of the client, and we do not want anything that can affect our cause, the source said. It was however learned that Dr. Ikwezu was not likely going to accept any offer considering the huge implications it might have on his career as a leading international legal practitioner. It was not also clear, as at last night, if indigenous people of Biafra IPOB had even approached Ikwezu with any offer to represent its leader as the case against Kanu comes up early next year. As to explain the rationale for hiring of a foreign lawyer from the United States to represent Kanu in Nigeria, the source expressed reservations over the attempt to bring in a foreign legal practitioner to appear in a Nigerian court, pointing out that it might not work out at the end of the day. The issue of a United States of America lawyer appearing for our client in Nigeria may not work 100% in our favor, but it can at least draw international attention to our case, the top official said. It will be recalled that October 18, 2021, the federal government had filed an amended 7-count charge against the indigenous people of Biafran leader bordering on terrorism and treason felony. Count 1 of the charge reads that you, Nnamdi Kanu, male adult of Afaroko Ibeku Umuahia North local government area of Abia State, being the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra on diverse dates in 2014 and 2015 in London, United Kingdom, did broadcast on Radio Biafra, monitored in Enugu and other areas within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, preparations made by you and others at large for states in the southeast and south-south and other communities in Kogi and Benue State to secede from the Federal Republic of Nigeria with a view to constituting same into the Republic of Biafra, and you thereby committed an offence punishable under Section 41, subsection C of the Criminal Code Act Cap C-77 Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. Count 2 says, "Thank that you, Kanu, on or about 28 April 2015 in London, did broadcast of Radio Biafra referred to Major General Muhammadu Buhari, GCON, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as a pedophile and a terrorist, an idiot, and an embodiment of evil, knowing some to be false, knowing same to be false, and you thereby committed an offence contrary to Section 375 of the Criminal Code Act Cap C-77 Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. Count 3, that you, Nnamdi Kanu, had between March and April 2015 imported and kept in Ubuluzuzo, Ihiala local government area of Anambra State, a radio transmitter known as Tram 50L, concealed in a container of used household which you declared as used household items, and you thereby committed an offence contrary to Section 47, subsection 2 of the Criminal Code of Act Cap C-45, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. Count 4, that you, Nnamdi Kanu, had between 2018 and 2021 in Radio Biafra monitored in Enugu and FCT, that's Federal Capital Territory, professed to be a member of the indigenous people of Biafra, a proscribed organization in Nigeria, and you thereby committed an offence punishable under Section 16 of a Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act of 2013. A lot and much more has been filed up against him, and a lot of people are wondering, will the likes of the lead counsel, which is Ifeanyi Ejiofor, and of course a special counsel, which is Aloy Ejimako, will they have the pedigree and what it takes to actually bring out Nnamdi Kanu out of detention? They're looking at the fact that yes, Fein, which has an international dimension to it, may not be able to appear in Nigerian court simply because he's not a Nigerian citizen. They may, depending on the Nigerian constitution, may have his jurisdictions. But of course, the senior advocate of Nigeria in Nigeria have the capacity, have the license to appear anywhere in court within Nigerian jurisdiction or Nigerian court. So which means having a senior advocate of Nigeria. Look at the case study of what happened to Moyele Sowore. He actually brought in Femi Falana, senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, into the case, and somehow it was middle down. But you can't take away the fact that Ifeanyi Ejiofor, during the first trial they had before Nnamdi Kanu, had to leave for United Kingdom. They did well. Okay, they cut them some slack. They tried, but they are of the opinion that right now the case has gotten to the crucial stage, and they don't want anybody catching cruise or stunt on this case. They want luminaries, who can truly change the narration for Nnamdi Kanu, and to do it very quickly. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Do you agree with what this young man is saying, that right now Nnamdi Kanu need a senior advocate of Nigeria to paddle his case out of this muddy water right now?